Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has already been 1 month since our last small business haul video, so it's time for another one. So today I'm going to be opening up 3 orders from 3 different small businesses with you guys. So if you're curious to see what I ordered and how awesome these small businesses are, keep watching. Alright guys, I have to start off by saying do not forget to check out the video description down below because that is where I'm going to link all of these amazing small businesses that I ordered from. So if you want to go show them some love and support by either ordering from them or even just following them on any of their social media pages, you can do that by checking out my video description down below. Alright guys, I cannot wait to open these up, so let's dig in. So this first one that I'm going to open is from American Tradition Cookie Cutters. And I'm sure their name gave it away, but they sell cookie cutters, they sell plastic and metal, and their metal cookie cutters are 90 cents. I have not seen anyone else sell cookie cutters cheaper than that unless they were like on clearance or something. So I could not wait to order from this company. Actually, one of my car freshie making friends told me to go check them out because their cookie cutters were only 90 cents and I had never ordered from them before, so I could not wait to go check out their site, and they have a ton of cookie cutters, you guys. So this order has a couple of like regular cookie cutters, but then I also ordered several different Halloween themed cookie cutters because I'm going to be launching my Halloween car freshies next month. So the first cookie cutter I'm going to show you is like one of the regular shapes. This is like a cute little pencil, so I thought this would be great for like teachers. And then I also ordered a badge cookie cutter for all of my police officers or anyone that wants to support our police officers or any first responders. And then the rest of these were Halloween. So I got a coffin shaped cookie cutter, a skull shaped cookie cutter, a candy corn cookie cutter. Of course, I had to get a bat cookie cutter. And I couldn't forget a ghost. And then I got a witch hat cookie cutter and a little crescent moon. So I cannot wait to bake some Freshies with these cookie cutters. So I definitely recommend, don't pass this one up. Go check out AmericanTraditionCookieCutters.com to see all of the different cookie cutters that they offer. So thank you, American Tradition Cookie Cutters, for the amazing cookie cutters. I cannot wait to use them, like I said, and I will definitely be ordering from your business again. Okay, so I'm super excited to unpackage this next order that I got. This was the first one that came in the mail for this month when I ordered it. So let me just start by showing you guys this adorable packaging. It's cute little daisies. And then it has a cute little sticker at the top that says, "Thank you for supporting my business." So this one is from Car Freshies by Amber, and obviously by her business name, she sells car freshies, but she also makes car charms, which are like cute little keychain style, like pendants that hang from your rearview mirror, just like you would a car freshie. And she also sells keychains. So I ordered a keychain from her, and I just realized that she actually lives in the same town that I live in. So I cannot wait to tell her that. Hopefully one day we can meet. I have been so excited to open this up. Oh, cute little tissue paper with another cute little sticker that says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." And it looks like there's some kind of card in here. Let's see. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." And then she wrote a little handwritten note on the back that just says, "Thank you so much for your order. Enjoy your keychain, Amber." Okay, so I'm going to open this with you guys because I am so excited to see it. Ah, look how cute. So I love like all of these like macrame style keychains that I keep seeing everywhere online. And when I saw hers and how she had a little leopard one, she offered this in like one of those car charms, but she also has it in keychain form. So I got the keychain form so I could put it on my car keys. But look how adorable this is, you guys. She hand makes these. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Let me just say, guys, super fast shipping. So I definitely recommend going to go check out her Instagram, which is Car Freshies by Amber, to go look at all of the amazing car freshies that she has. Really beautiful car charms and keychains. Definitely go check her out. So thank you so much, Amber. I cannot wait to order from you again. Keep up the great work. Okay, and this last order that I'm gonna open up with you guys is this big old box that I have right here. So this is not the first time that I've ordered from this small business because they are amazing. They have amazing customer service. I will continue to be a returning customer to them. This small business is Mother Tumbler. So for those of you that don't know, Mother Tumbler is a small business tumbler supplier. They basically sell like tumblers, all types of cups, like if you need like extra like lids and stuff like that, they sell all of your tumbler needs. So I have been ordering from them since they started, because they started their business around the same time. It was definitely within the same year. They started their small business when I started making tumblers. So I ordered a bunch of different types of tumblers. I'm not going to show you every single one because a lot of these are the same, but I will open up one of each one just so you can see the quality of these tumblers. Okay, so this one was like a closeout one. So I don't know if they still have these on their site, but this is a beautiful opal tumbler. It's clear. It's a double wall tumbler. So if I wanted to, I could make this one of those snow globe tumblers that I just had a tutorial on, because it is a double walled insulated tumbler. So I could put the glitter in it and the little solution. But honestly, I think this is gorgeous as is. I might put some vinyl on it. I may coat it with some epoxy just to seal in that vinyl, but this is gorgeous. And all their tumblers are individually wrapped in bubble wrap, and they come in their own box. So that's super nice for when you package up people's orders, like if you're shipping them all over like I do. And all of their tumblers do come with a straw. This one is a pink matte acrylic tumbler. And these might have been like on clearance or on sale too, I think. I don't remember. But I thought this would be cute for my daughter to use. And then I got the same one in mint because I love mint and turquoise. So I got that one for myself. Okay, so I think this one is one of the regular stainless steel 20-ounce tumblers. So just to show you what they look like. So there it is. It has a slight curve to it. I love their lids. They have the super easy slider lid, so that's really nice. It also has like a wide lid so that you can put a straw right there if you wanted to. And then I also ordered some more 20-ounce cups because that's like my most popular size. But I got them in a skinny straight tumbler. These are really popular. I personally love the skinny straight tumblers over the regular style tumblers, solely because they just fit in all the cup holders better because they're just a little bit smaller, and because I have super small hands, so my hand just fits around the skinny tumbler so much easier. And the tumblers that made me place another order when I still have plenty of tumblers downstairs, but I had to order some of these to try out, was their new sublimation tumblers. So I cannot wait to try these in an upcoming crafting tutorial. So I got a 30-ounce and a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler to try out. So as you can see, these tumblers do not look like they're stainless steel. They are stainless steel, as you can see in the inside. They are just already prepped and coated in this material that you can use for sublimation. So I definitely cannot wait to try those out. So thank you so much, Mother Tumbler, for supplying all of my tumbler needs. Like I've said before, I will be a returning customer because you guys blow me away every single time. I've never had any issues with any of my orders. Another really cool thing about Mother Tumbler is they have a Facebook group where all the tumbler makers can interact with each other. They share posts with each other, and they also do a tumbler of a month every single month, where all of their tumbler makers can upload pictures of their tumblers that they obviously got supplied from Mother Tumbler, and then they pick out a winner every month that will get like a free gift card or something to their website. So I think that's really cool that they interact with their customers like that. I definitely recommend going to go check out their website at mothertumbler.com. As I've said, I will continue buying from them because they are so awesome. So thank you, Mother Tumbler. Keep killing it, ladies, because y'all do an awesome job. All right, guys, so that's it. As I've said before, please go check out the video description down below so that you can go show some love to these amazing small businesses. And as always, if you like this video, please let me know that you liked it by giving me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me which businesses you're gonna go check out. And if you have any other questions or comments, just drop a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other small business haul videos.